Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a divorce case against your husband. First, you need to confirm your state's residency requirements, which often involve living there for a specific period, like 6 months. Next, gather all crucial documents, including your marriage certificate, birth certificates for any children, and detailed financial statements. Finally, identify the legal grounds for divorce applicable in your state, such as irreconcilable differences or specific fault-based reasons. Once you've gathered your information, the next step is to accurately complete the divorce petition and any other required forms. These documents outline your requests regarding asset division, child custody, and support. After filling them out, take them to the clerk of the court in the appropriate jurisdiction for filing. Be prepared to pay the filing fees, which can vary, or inquire about applying for a fee waiver if you meet the financial criteria. After filing your petition, you must legally notify your husband about the divorce proceedings. This is called service of process. You can arrange for a sheriff, a private process server, or sometimes a neutral third party to deliver the papers. It's crucial to follow your court's specific rules for service to ensure it's valid. Once service is complete, the person who served the papers must file a proof of service document with the court. Following service, you'll likely attend court hearings or mediation to resolve outstanding issues. This is where you'll negotiate important terms like child custody, visitation schedules, child support, spousal support, and the division of marital assets and debts. It's often beneficial to have legal representation during this phase. Once all terms are agreed upon or decided by the court, a judge will sign the final divorce decree, officially ending your marriage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.